How to draw sparkling flowers.
For
How to
this,
draw a
naturally, if you
salon.
want the flower to appear more open, paint the petals out on an angle like this. We're going to add a small stem a little bit a ways down, and then we're going to wrap that stem with these long, broad leaves. Creating these leaves with a round brush is really simple. You're just going to press down and pull up. As you pull up, you create that sharp point at the top of the leaf. Next, you're going to go in with the tip of your brush, and you're going to create lines within the petals. You need two parallel lines on the center, and then these little faint lines going up like this. We're also going to add some thin lines in the leaves. Now you can leave your painting like this, or you can add
Easy peasy art. One stroke painting for you.